This Lady T ZCD out here on my patio deck trying to beautify it. I am not a gardener by no means. As you can see, my get up right here. I got my sun hat on. It's hot out here. I'm out here trying to help hubby with the backyard, trying to repot flowers or pot flowers or plant. He's a gardener. New hobby for him is a gardener. He's a gardener now, so I'm trying to support him. And it's a lot of money, you guys, to do this landscaping. I called to see if I can get somebody to come out and landscape the backyard with flowers and what have you, make it real pretty. They was talking about too much money, So I said, me and honey can come out here and do some stuff. We need to exercise, we need to move around and make it pretty, make it our own. So by no means are we a professional. I'm an inside decorator. Excuse me, y'all. Bless me. I'm an inside decorator. Outside, that ain't for me. But I'm out here trying to do my thing, help hubby, and that's what my get down look like. So what we're doing right now is repotting some hanging plants or pots, some flower pots that was on clearance. And that's how you normally, I've been looking at some videos on these gardeners out here, and they've been giving us a lot of tips. Go get you some, because flowers cost so much, go get you some flowers that are on clearance and repot them that way. Pull off all the dead leaves and stuff off of them, and then you can repot them that way. And saves you a lot of money instead of just buying them individually in them little bitty boxes. So yeah, that's what we doing. Lady TZCD out here trying to be a gardener. So this is one of the hanging plants that I bought from Lowe's. It was $7 and some change. Now it was originally $15.98, and they had two for $15. So they was like $7 a piece, which is really, really good. So I've already pulled out some of the dead leaves and things that was on it. Now I'm getting ready to take it out the pot. I call myself getting ready to take it out the pot. Hit it down here. Y'all bear with me. Trying to do this video and repot these pots. So there you go. It came out no problem. There's an empty pot here. And then, I hope y'all can see me in this heat. And it has this little draining thing that came, with the pot. And here are all the roots and what have you here. So what you want to do is, now I have the big pot that I'm going to put it down in. So I've already put a little soil down in it already. So what I'm going to do is just kind of like break up the bottom a little bit. Yeah, like I said, I ain't no professional. I don't even know. But I'm just trying to make sure the roots, get acclimated with the dirt that's already in the pot. Okay? So I already set that down in there. And this pot is huge. I have to let y'all see the pot, because I got y'all rigged up on here. So the pot is huge. This pot, I can't pick it up. But anyway, I'll let y'all see it. So I got that one ready to go in there. Made a little hole, for it to go down in the pot, in the big pot. I'm gonna put two of these in one pot. So that's what I'm doing. Okay. Like I said, all this landscaping costs too much money. I was like, nah, we're gonna just put some flowers out there ourselves. And I went online, I saw my divas and devos out there to do gardening and whatnot, DIYs themselves. I was like, wait a minute here. Beautiful yards, beautiful gardens, vegetables and all that, And I said, let me try my hand at it, So here's another hanging plant. Like I said, you see the yellow leaves or what have you. Take all the dead leaves as you can off. And I guess I don't know what they call that, pruning or whatever. I don't know how to, and another thing, it's so many different names to the plants and stuff. I don't know. I have to educate myself on all these different names and stuff. It's amazing. The world of gardening is amazing, y'all. It's just amazing. Can y'all see me? y'all can see me. But take out my shades. I have to have my shades on because it's, I don't even think y'all can still see me. But the world of gardening is amazing. The different terms, the different type of plants, they all got different names. And see, getting dark, I'm fading out. Okay, there we go. I'm holding it up. So, like I said, it's a lot. So what I'm gonna do, I had y'all read up on sitting on something, but I'm gonna let y'all see if y'all can see these pots. How big the pot is and everything. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I'm out here doing. I don't know how much more I can take of recording here out here in this heat. And that's one pot I've done with the elephant ears. I hope y'all can see that. They are growing really, really nicely. So I think we're doing a pretty good job. Back there in the back there, that's my screen and porch. I have flowers and plants in it. And I have to let you guys see that, take a tour of it. Hubby out there on the ground repotting. I mean, he's serious about this thing. This is his new hobby. And he really is into it. So I love it. It's exercise for both of us. And so, but yeah, that's what we're doing today on this Saturday. Right now, beautiful out here. It's not too hot, but it's before 12, but it will be hot by time 12 here. Again, thank you guys for watching. I think I'm gonna have to go ahead on and jump off. But thank you guys for watching. Lady T ZCD, please comment below, like, share, and my grandbaby, and comment, and hit that notification bell. But yeah, my grandbaby's coming over here later on, about 3 o'clock. So we wanted to go ahead and get this out of the way because he's a handful. And we're gonna keep them for a few hours while they get them some rest or whatever. They're gonna go out on a date or whatever. But so Doug and I are trying to get this out of the way. I want to run to a couple of stores because I ain't been in the store. I'm feeling some kind of way. Retail therapy done kicked in. I need to pick up a few things at the store. I'm looking for a big trash can, another one, and so yeah, I'm gonna jump off. This Lady T ZCD. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry if y'all, hopefully y'all can see me. Y'all see I got on my gardener gloves, my hat, my whole get down of garden. I'm sitting down though. Shoot, it's hot out here, but this is something else. But it's gonna be pretty. It's pretty already. It's pretty. So love it. I love it. But let me jump off. Lady T ZCD. I'm gonna sign out. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Continue to like, share, comment below. Tell me what y'all doing on this Saturday. And I will talk to y'all in another video. Bye-bye. Hold on, y'all. I got to take these gloves out to turn out the daggone recording. Okay, y'all. Talk to y'all soon. Bye.